Hey everyone, welcome to the Master Data channel. Today we're tackling a problem that keeps IT teams up at night: data mapping errors during migration. Imagine moving to a new house, only to realize half your boxes are mislabeled. Chaos, right? That's exactly what happens when data gets lost in translation. Stick around to learn how to spot and fix these errors. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss our pro tips. Data migration is like moving house. Mislabel a box, and suddenly your coffee mugs end up in the bathroom. In migration terms, broken workflows, misplaced info, and costly delays. Let's avoid that. First, find the errors. How? Start with data profiling. Audit your source data like a pre-move checklist. Use automated tools to flag mismatches, like squashing a 50-character address into a 30-character field. Run test migrations with sample data. It's a dry run to catch orphans, like customer orders without accounts, and involve your team. A finance pro might spot a misaligned revenue field that tech checks miss. Found errors, time to clean house. Standardize formats, fix duplicates, and align schemas. Maybe you need to rename Cust ID to Customer ID, or split full name into first and last. Details matter. Use automated tools to handle grunt work and keep a rollback plan. If things crash, revert fast without disrupting operations. Iterate until data flows smoothly.
Grab our ultimate data migration guide, link below.
Prevent future headaches. Document every rule and decision. Use a data catalog to track metadata automatically. Involve stakeholders early. If the sales team hates your CRM setup, that's a problem. After migration, monitor like a hawk. Set alerts for sudden null values or anomalies. Stay proactive. Data mapping errors don't have to derail your project. With the right planning, tools, and teamwork, your data will settle into its new home seamlessly. Ready to ace your next migration? Drop a comment with your biggest migration challenge, or read our blog post for more details. And if this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more.